Has artificial intelligence come to take away our jobs? This is a question millions of people around the world are asking today. With the rapid growth of artificial intelligence, many workers are beginning to worry that artificial intelligence will take their jobs. But what if I told you the real danger isn't AI? The real danger is not knowing how to use it. Though artificial intelligence is already replacing some jobs around the world. But here's the shocking truth most people don't realize. AI is also creating new opportunities that could make ordinary people wealthier than ever before. Machines can now write articles, create images, edit videos, and even answer complicated questions in seconds. Because of this, some people believe that humans may soon become unnecessary in many industries. But is that really true? Is artificial intelligence truly a threat to our jobs, or could it actually become a powerful opportunity? In this video, we will explore the truth about AI and the future of work, and more importantly, what you can do to stay ahead in this new technological age. Truth be told, artificial intelligence is growing faster than most people ever expected. Only a few years ago, many of the things AI can do today seemed impossible. Today, AI tools can help businesses analyze large amounts of data, write marketing content, generate creative designs, and even assist doctors in diagnosing diseases. Because of these incredible abilities, many industries are beginning to adopt artificial intelligence to improve productivity and reduce costs. Naturally, this has caused fear among workers. Many people are asking questions like, will companies replace human workers with AI? Will machines eventually take over most jobs? And what will happen to ordinary workers if that happens? These concerns are understandable. Whenever a new technology appears, people often fear that it will eliminate their source of income. However, history gives us an important lesson. Throughout history, technological advancements have always changed the way people work. For example, when machines were introduced during the Industrial Revolution, many workers feared that factories would destroy human employment. Later, when computers became widely available, many office workers also feared that their jobs would disappear. But something interesting happened. Instead of eliminating all jobs, technology actually created many new industries and opportunities that did not exist before. Computers created careers in software development, digital marketing, information technology, graphic design, and many other fields. The same pattern is happening again with artificial intelligence. Will AI replace jobs? The honest answer is yes. Some jobs may disappear. Jobs that involve repetitive, routine, or predictable tasks are more likely to be automated by artificial intelligence. For example, data entry jobs, basic customer service roles, simple administrative tasks, certain types of manufacturing work. These tasks are often easier for machines to perform quickly and accurately. However, this does not mean that humans will become irrelevant. In fact, many jobs require creativity, emotional intelligence, decision-making, and human understanding, qualities that machines still struggle to replicate. Teachers, entrepreneurs, creative professionals, and leaders will continue to play important roles in society. And more importantly, artificial intelligence is already creating entirely new opportunities. Instead of only destroying jobs, AI is opening doors to many new ways of making money. For example, many people are now using AI tools to create online content, start digital businesses, and build new streams of income. Some of these opportunities include AI content creation, AI-powered digital marketing, online education and coaching, creating YouTube channels using AI tools. Today, someone with a computer and internet connection can use artificial intelligence to write books, design graphics, create videos, and build online businesses. For example, many YouTube creators are now using AI to generate video scripts, voiceovers, and even talking avatars. This allows people to create professional content much faster than before. Those who learn how to use these tools effectively can build powerful online businesses. Why learning AI is important? The biggest mistake anyone can make today is ignoring artificial intelligence. Technology is not slowing down, it is moving forward rapidly. Instead of fearing AI, the smartest thing you can do right now is to understand it and learn how to use it as a tool. Understand this. Every new technology creates fear at first, but those who learn how to use it are usually the ones who move ahead. Think of AI as a powerful assistant that helps you work faster and more efficiently. It cannot replace human creativity, wisdom, or experience, but it can make many tasks easier and quicker. For example, imagine spending hours trying to come up with ideas for a blog post, YouTube video, or social media content. With AI, you can generate several ideas in just a few minutes. Designing graphics used to require professional skills and expensive software. But today, AI tools can help you create clean, professional designs quickly. Even video editing, which normally takes a lot of time, can now be simplified because AI can automate many parts of the process. Here's the idea. When human creativity meets AI technology, the possibilities become incredibly powerful. And the people who learn to use these tools today may become the leaders of tomorrow. What you should do now. In this new AI-driven world, the first thing you should do is start learning about AI tools and how they work. Second, begin exploring ways to use these tools to improve your productivity or start a new online business. The people who succeed in the future will be those who are willing to adapt and grow with new technology. Remember, every technological revolution rewards those who are prepared. Those who resist change often fall behind. Conclusion. So, has artificial intelligence come to take away our jobs? The truth is more balanced than many people think. Yes, some jobs may disappear as machines become more capable. But at the same time, new industries, careers, and opportunities will continue to emerge. The future will not belong to machines alone. It will belong to people who know how to use technology wisely. Instead of fighting against artificial intelligence, learn how to work with it. Because those who adapt to the new technological age will not only survive, they will thrive. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think AI will replace most human jobs? Or do you believe it will create more opportunities for people? Write your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Because on this channel, we explore how to use AI and modern technology to create opportunities and make money online. Also, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next videos about AI tools, online income ideas, and the future of work. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.